After this video, you will hardly place your stop loss in the zones where you placed it before. If you learn the knowledge in this video, maybe you will be constantly transferring money from other accounts into yours. Hello everyone, and welcome again into my place where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to the successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivailo and this is Elite Trading Zone. How liquidity is created. In reality, the big money market makers in the market create this liquidity so that there can be money that exchange in the market itself. There are banks that provide liquidity. I will tell you which are the areas where the big money institutions take liquidity. I'm going also to show you an indicator with which you can more easily recognize these areas of liquidity. If I haven't said enough of the keyword you click it on, I will repeat it 6 times for work. Liquidity, 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 liquidity. Liquidity is simple one area of the market where there are many stops placed. How to detect them? You go to the nearest gold shop and buy a detector. Set it to a liquidity zone and you're good to go. Now seriously, write it down on a paper like this one. I say in advance that I am not a painter. Each one double top, double bottom. Any support and resistance, especially if tested multiple times. All head and shoulders, triangles and similar patterns, trend lines. The more times the price has pushed back from it, the juicier it will be. Range or consolidation. Write them down somewhere. I personally wrote them down on a paper so that I can remember them more easily. Hang them somewhere near the monitor so you can see them every time you open a trade. Simple and basic things work in the market. Now I will prove it. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, 5-minute time frame. This trend line has been tested multiple times. Remember what I said earlier. The more a trend line is tested, the more appetizing it is. More tested, more appetizing. More tested, more appetizing. All these retests right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here should be our targets in the future. We just take a horizontal line and mark them here, 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 and here. The price break this trend line and start robbing every single liquidation on the way up. Now attention! The price is already reaching the previous high, rejects sharply. Let's see where our order block is. If you haven't watched the second part of Smart Money Concepts, namely order blocks, please do it by clicking in the upper right corner right here. Okay, there was bullish candle before a huge move to the downside. Just select this square and mark this zone. The price reverses exactly at this point and continues its downtrend on a larger time frame. Next is Bitcoin. That Bitcoin. Just look how many times this area right here has been tested. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Hey, if you were a bank, wouldn't you take money from these people? If you want to trade like banks and generally be successful, you have to think like banks. The easiest way is just to find the stops of others and target them. That's why I'm already talking in the whole clip. We mark this area and see what happened in the future. Okay, the price is approaching this support zone but not touching it. It starts consolidating above it, which is a bearish flag. The market is just gathering strength, or as Wyckoff call it, redistribution. From all this momentum that the price has shown, I am not surprised that we have broken through the support. Liquidation alert. That was all for liquidity zones. If there is something unclear, ask me down in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. I also have a Facebook page where I upload some of my analysis down in the description. If you are still watching my video, you are finding value and it would be good for you to subscribe. Smash the like button! If you haven't seen the part 1 or 2 of the Smart Money Concepts right here, till the next time.